This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Tracy Diaz. Welcome to this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhome in the gated, family-friendly community of the Cove at Avalar Creek. As you enter through the open foyer, you will be greeted by the open concept living room, dining room and kitchen area. The kitchen has a large granite island where family and friends can gather, a big walk-in pantry and extra storage. A half bath is ideally located on the first floor. Upstairs you will find the ensuite master bedroom with 2 closets, 2 spacious secondary bedrooms with generous closets and the conveniently placed laundry room. The large lanai is covered and screened in. There is no carpet in this home. The entire first floor and wet areas have ceramic tile. The stairs and all the bedrooms on the second floor have laminate flooring. The HOA fee includes water, trash, sewer, ground maintenance. Community amenities include a pool, playground and clubhouse. Ideally located just off US 301, with easy access to I-75 and close to restaurants and shops. For more information, review the details below.